Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Among Us on Animal Crossing. First, you will need a minimum of 4 players on your island. One person will be the host, responsible for setting up the game and explaining the rules. Next, get creative with custom designs for your crewmate and imposter outfits. Finally, designate specific areas on your island for tasks and for imposters to vent between locations. Now, let's talk about roles and tasks. The host secretly assigns roles, typically one imposter for every 3 or 4 crewmates. Crewmates must complete various predetermined tasks across the island, such as watering 10 flowers or catching 5 fish. Meanwhile, imposters aim to eliminate crewmates by having them leave the game area, all while avoiding detection. Emergency meetings are crucial for crewmates. Any player can call a meeting if they discover a body or have a strong suspicion about an imposter. During these discussions, everyone shares their observations and theories. After a set time, players vote to eject who they believe is the imposter. If the vote results in a tie, no one is ejected and the game resumes. Finally, let's cover how to win. Crewmates achieve victory by successfully completing all assigned tasks or by correctly identifying and ejecting every imposter. On the other hand, imposters win by eliminating enough crewmates so that their numbers equal the remaining crewmates. They can also win if crewmates fail to address critical sabotages within a set time frame. The game concludes once either team meets its winning objective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.